Yeah, in the previous lectures, we have studied about vector calculus. Now, let us see another basics we require to understand electromagnetic fields is coordinate system. Okay, so let us start with coordinate system. Yeah, here in the coordinate system, we are going to study about the three kinds of coordinate system. One is a Cartesian coordinate system or rectangular coordinate system. Next one is a cylindrical coordinate system or a circular coordinate system. And third one is a spherical coordinate system. Okay. So, here let us start with the Cartesian coordinate system. So, first one, Cartesian or rectangular coordinate system. Yeah. So, here first I am going to explain about the coordinate axis. Okay. So, here just let me show you two diagrams here. So, here this is the diagram where this is x axis, y axis and z axis. So, here this is the origin. So, consider one more diagram here. Here the coordinate axes are shown like this, x, y and z axis. Okay. So, here the question is you just observe these two diagrams. In these two diagrams, which one is correct one? Which one is the right choice of coordinate system here? Okay. So, here there are two kinds of coordinate system. One is called as a right-handed coordinate system. Another one is called as a left-handed coordinate system. Okay. So, everybody is supposed to use a unique coordinate system that is selected as a right-handed coordinate system. Okay. So, whenever we draw coordinate axis, that should be right-handed coordinate system. Okay. So, first let me explain what is right-handed and what is the left-handed coordinate system. Okay. Then you can easily understand. Here, if you consider the coordinate axis x, y and z. Okay. So, whenever we apply right hand thumb rule, if any of the coordinate system satisfies the right hand thumb rule, then the coordinate system is called as right-handed coordinate system. When any coordinate axis satisfies the left-handed coordinate left-hand thumb rule, then the coordinate system is called as a left-handed coordinate system. Okay. So, for example, you consider here whenever we apply right hand thumb rule, so this is the right hand thumb. Whenever we apply right hand thumb rule, okay. So, these four fingers indicates a rotation from one axis to another axis. Okay. Then thumb finger shows a third axis. Okay. So, here that means whenever x to y rotation shows z direction, when we apply right hand thumb rule, then the coordinate system is called as right-handed coordinate system. Or you may consider a rotation of this axis y, z, x or z, x, y. So, in this case, so when we apply right hand thumb rule, y to z rotation should indicate x axis or z to x rotation should indicate y axis. Okay. If any one of these rule is satisfied with the help of right hand thumb rule, then the coordinate system is called right-handed coordinate system. Right-handed coordinate system. Okay. So, let us verify these conditions. So, let us consider any one of these condition and check with these two diagrams. Okay. So, I would like to consider the first one. So, in the first case, x to y rotation should indicate z direction. I show the same thing here. X to y rotation should indicate z direction. Okay. Now, this is satisfied with the help of right hand thumb or left hand thumb. Okay. Let me verify here. So, just consider right hand thumb here. So, these four fingers indicates a rotation from x to y. Then thumb finger shows z direction. So this satisfies the right hand thumb rule. So the coordinate system is called right-handed coordinate system. Right-handed coordinate system, which is a valid coordinate system. Okay. So similarly, let us verify the same rule for a second diagram. Okay. So here x to y rotation should indicate z direction. Okay. So here x to y rotation should indicate z direction. Okay. Now this will coincide with right hand thumb rule or left hand thumb rule. So it will coincide with left hand thumb rule. These four fingers rotates from x to y, then thumb finger shows z direction. Okay. So now this this obeys a left hand thumb rule. So the coordinate system is called left handed coordinate system. Okay. So invalid coordinate system, or we are not supposed to use left handed coordinate system. Everybody should use only a right handed coordinate system. Okay. So whenever you draw the coordinate axis, it should be right handed coordinate system. So any one of these rule must be satisfied with the help of right hand thumb rule. Okay. So earlier we have studied about vector calculus. Now the second most important basics we need to understand is coordinate system. Okay. Here we are going to study about three types of coordinate systems. One is a Cartesian coordinate system or rectangular coordinate system. Okay. So here the first concept is that there are again two kinds of coordinate system. One is a right-handed coordinate system. Another one is left-handed coordinate system. Okay. Everybody is supposed to use a unique coordinate system that has been selected as a right-handed coordinate system. Okay. So whenever you draw a coordinate axis or whenever you write a coordinate system, okay, it should be right-handed coordinate system. Okay. So now I am going to explain you what is meant by right-handed coordinate system and what is meant by left-handed coordinate system. Okay. So consider coordinate axis x, y, z, or in the order of y, z, x, or with the order z, x, y. Okay. So here when we apply right hand thumb rule, so four fingers of right hand will rotate in some direction and thumb finger shows another direction. Okay. So here when we apply right hand thumb rule, so four fingers must indicate x to y rotation and thumb finger must indicate z direction, or y to z rotation should indicate x direction, or z to x rotation should indicate y direction. Okay. So if any one of these rule is satisfied with the help of right hand thumb rule, then the coordinate system is called as a right handed coordinate system. Okay. So let us verify any one of these rule with the help of right hand thumb rule. Then it becomes a right-handed coordinate system. Right-handed coordinate system. Similarly, when any one of these rules is satisfied with the help of left hand thumb, then the coordinate system is called as a left-handed coordinate system. Okay. Here I have shown you two diagrams, two coordinate systems or coordinate axes. So let us verify which comes under right-handed coordinate system and which comes under left-handed coordinate system. Okay. So here I am going to apply this first principle for these two diagrams. Okay. So this shows that x to y rotation indicates z direction. Okay. So let me show you same thing. X to y rotation should indicate z direction. Okay. So when this rule is satisfied with the help of right hand thumb, it is called as right-handed coordinate system. When the same rule is satisfied with the help of left hand thumb, then it is called as a left-handed coordinate system. Okay. So now just observe this one. So here take the right hand. So this four fingers indicates. So here if this four fingers rotation indicates x to y rotation, then the thumb finger indicates z direction, then it is called as right-handed coordinate system. For example, if it satisfies left hand thumb rule, then it is called as a left-handed coordinate system. Okay. So let us verify. So these will coincide with which hand, left hand or right hand thumb. Okay. So just consider. So this right hand apply for this one. These four fingers is rotating from X to Y. Then thumb finger shows Z direction. So it satisfies right hand thumb rule. So it is a right-handed coordinate system. Right-handed coordinate system, which is a valid coordinate system. Okay. So earlier we have, in the previous lectures we have studied about vector calculus. Now let us study about the coordinate system. Okay. So here we need to understand three types of coordinate system. One is called as Cartesian coordinate system, another one cylindrical coordinate system, and the last one is a spherical coordinate system. Okay. Let us start with the first one, Cartesian coordinate system or rectangular coordinate system. Okay. So here again in this Cartesian coordinate system, we have two kinds of coordinate system. One is called as a right-handed coordinate system, another one is a left-handed coordinate system. A right-handed coordinate system, another one is a left-handed coordinate system. Okay. So everybody is supposed to use a unique coordinate system or only one coordinate system, that is right-handed coordinate system. Okay. So we are not supposed to use a left-handed coordinate system. Okay. So let me first explain what is meant by right-handed coordinate system and what is meant by left-handed coordinate system. Okay. For that we need to apply left-hand thumb rule or right-hand thumb rule. Okay. So first consider coordinate axis X, Y, Z. When we apply thumb rules, either left hand or right hand thumb rule, rotation from X to Y indicates Z direction. When we shift this coordinate axis Y, Z, X, Y to Z rotation indicates X direction. Again shift left, Z, X, Y. Z to X rotation should indicate Y direction. Okay. If any one of these rules is satisfied with the help of right hand thumb rule, then it is called as a right-handed coordinate system. Okay. When any one of these rules is satisfied with the help of left hand thumb rule, then it is called as a left-handed coordinate system. Okay. So let us verify these diagram and these diagram. So comes under which coordinate system? Are they left-handed coordinate system or right-handed coordinate system, or which are the valid coordinate system? Okay. So I would like to verify this diagram. So I am going to verify this first principle for both the diagrams. Okay. So X to Y rotation should indicate Z direction. I do the same thing here. X to Y rotation should indicate Z direction. Okay. So just see here, if you observe this one, let us apply a right hand thumb for this one. Okay. So here, so simply X to Y rotation indicates Z direction. So this is coinciding with right hand thumb rule. So the coordinate system is called as a right-handed coordinate system. Okay. So this is called a right-handed coordinate system, which is a valid coordinate system or a correct coordinate system. Okay. So similarly, let us verify this diagram, this coordinate axis. Again, we verify the same principle. X to Y rotation should indicate Z direction. Okay. So X to Y rotation should indicate Z direction. Yeah. So now consider left hand. So this left hand thumb will coincide with this axis. Okay. X to Y rotation indicates Z direction. Okay. So when it coincides with the left hand thumb rule, then it is called as a left-handed coordinate system. So this is left-handed coordinate system, which is invalid, or we are not supposed to use a left-handed coordinate system. Okay. So here everywhere any one of these rule must be satisfied with the help of a right hand thumb rule. Right hand thumb rule. Then this coordinate system is called a right-handed coordinate system. Okay, which is a valid coordinate system. So this is the way how we are going to choose, how we are going to write the coordinate axis. Okay, so this is the very important concept. Okay, so next we will see in this coordinate system. So we are going to study about points, lines, planes or surface. Okay, so this is very important to understand in each and every coordinate system. So in Cartesian coordinate system, I am going to start with the planes or surface, then we start with the lines, then we start with points. We will end with the points. Okay.